Have you ever wondered if it's possible to juggle a busy entrepreneurial life with dating and socializing, all without letting your work slip? Imagine mastering the art of balancing professional success with a fulfilling personal life. Well, today, I am taking on that challenge to show you exactly how it can be done. Welcome to the Money Mentor Hub. With over 10 years of experience in investment banking across Europe's major cities and Fortune 500 companies as a key finance executive, I have learned that success is not just about the grind. It's also about living a balanced life. In this video, I will reveal effective strategies for busy entrepreneurs to maintain a thriving social life while achieving professional excellence. Stay with me, because what you're about to discover could transform both your career and personal relationships. When we think about entrepreneurship, we often focus on the hustle, the long hours, and the sacrifices made to build a business. But what about our personal lives? Can we really have it all? As entrepreneurs, it's easy to get sucked into a vortex of work and forget to nurture our personal connections. However, research shows that people with strong social ties are happier, healthier, and more productive. So how can we, as entrepreneurs, prioritize dating and socializing without sacrificing our work commitments? One of the biggest challenges is time constraints. We're always on the go, always on call, and always putting out fires. Carving out time for socializing, let alone dating, can seem impossible. And when we do have free time, we're often too exhausted to do anything but collapse on the couch. But here's the thing, neglecting our personal lives can actually hinder our professional success. In just a moment, I will share a powerful strategy that can help you integrate social activities into your busy schedule without feeling overwhelmed. Another challenge is the blurred lines between work and personal life. As entrepreneurs, we're often consumed by our businesses, making it hard to disconnect and be present in our personal relationships. We might find ourselves checking emails during dates or taking work calls during social events. There's also the fear of being seen as unprofessional or uncommitted if we prioritize our personal lives, leading to guilt and anxiety. So, how can we overcome these obstacles? One effective strategy is to set clear boundaries between work and personal time. Designate specific hours for work and stick to them so you can fully engage in your personal relationships without work-related distractions. But there's more. Stay tuned, because later in this video, I will reveal how integrating networking with socializing can not only enhance your personal life, but also boost your professional success. Prioritizing social activities that align with your values and interests is another key approach. This way, you can meet like-minded people and build meaningful connections. For example, joining clubs, attending workshops, or participating in group activities related to your hobbies can enrich your personal life while providing a refreshing break from work. Let me share a powerful insight from an entrepreneur who successfully managed to find love without compromising work commitments. Sarah, a founder of a successful startup, set aside one evening a week specifically for socializing. She attended industry events, joined interest-based groups, and even tried online dating. It was at one of these events that she met her partner, and they've been together for over 2 years now. Sarah's story shows that it's possible to balance work and personal life if we're intentional and committed to making it happen. Now you might be thinking, that sounds great, but how do I start implementing these changes? Do not worry, because coming up next, I will provide practical tips to help you integrate these strategies into your life starting today. Remember, integrating networking with socializing is a smart way to maximize your time. Attending industry conferences or events allows you to connect with others professionally while also fulfilling your social needs. This not only helps you build valuable relationships, but can also open doors to new opportunities. Another important aspect is learning to say no to commitments that do not align with your priorities. Whether it's a work project or a social engagement that doesn't feel fulfilling, setting boundaries is crucial for maintaining balance. As we approach the end of this video, let's recap the key points. Balancing a busy entrepreneurial life with dating and socializing is achievable by setting clear boundaries, prioritizing meaningful social activities, integrating networking with socializing, and learning to say no. You can maintain both your professional success and personal well-being. If you've got any tips or stories to share about balancing your work and personal life, please drop them in the comments below. Your experiences could help others on their journey. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the Money Mentor Hub for more entrepreneurial tips and strategies. Before you go, be sure to check out the video appearing on your screen right now. Trust me, you will not want to miss it. See you in the next one.